It is 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm in the kitchen about to get the raspberry cake that I have made for my mother out of the oven, because on and on she went about the cherries and the raspberries needing to be done. I have a basket for the eggs. Right, here we are up in the attic where our poor peacock, we finally found her. She is sitting on unfertilised eggs and she's been doing it for too long. She's making herself sick. It's been well over a month now. So we're going to take the eggs away. I'm going to try and get some light into this room. Ah, that's better. I feel so sorry for her. She's put all this work in for like 6 weeks.
She didn't build all that.
Nothing's going to happen because we didn't have a male peacock at the time that she laid her eggs. We do now, but she's far too busy sitting on these unfertilised ones to pay many attention. How many eggs was she on? 4 eggs.
They're all very warm, but of course they're no use to manual bees.
Poor thing. Well, next year, hopefully, if she hangs out with the male more, she will actually have chicks.
We know that they can lay. The other one had 5, didn't she?
Well, we know not only can they lay, but they're actually very good mothers.
Are they edible? At this point, I would have think they would have been.
Wouldn't. Yes, she's been on them for too long. Yes. But apparently, they're more delicious than chicken eggs. But no, we're not going to eat those.
Yeah, right. You can do whatever you like with that, dear boy.
Thank you. Look how skinny she looks. She's made herself sick. But now she hasn't tried to go back to the nest. I think she realises the eggs aren't there and hopefully she'll start eating properly again. Poor thing. The 3 a.m. raspberry cake was a big success. What do you think, Mummy?
Oh, absolutely delicious.
Worth me doing this at 3 o'clock in the morning?
Well, probably not, but...
That was for you, Mummy.
But that's lovely, absolutely. I was amazed when I found that at 6 o'clock when I came to the kitchen. Good. It was still warm and I felt your love oozing from it.
So unbelievably luckily, we have been given this balcony by the mayor's aunt. She had it and didn't need to use it. We're going to put this outside in the second courtyard, the farm courtyard, and now we're trying to make another balcony to go next to it, but we can't get the same size scroll work, so we're trying to design something that won't look too bad next to this.
Because you're the artistic one. No, I'm the autistic one.
Well, I've never tried to design a balcony before.
Yeah, there's always a first.
Michael, you'd be good at this. Michael actually studied fine art, so
there we are.
he's being extremely quiet right now, just staring at this.
Sorry about my choices. And then maybe we did a scroll.
Chin chin to working out the balcony. Calmly.
Calmly.
Not under pressure.
Gin.
I was just making jam and Mummy and Percy have called Michael and me out to help catch the sheep because the sheep shearer is coming first thing in the morning. Percy, Mummy and Michael, it's a sheep catching dream team. Well, I feel we're off to a good start. They've definitely come in the right direction. Right, well that ended in abject failure. We're going out tonight for a pizza. We rarely leave the house, so even going out for a pizza is extremely exciting. But we're running late because we're meeting friends and I don't know where anyone is. Hello? Anyone? Ah, where are you? Where Michael? Michael, are you in the moat? Michael, we're supposed to be at the restaurant in 5 minutes. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? And have you seen Mummy and Percy? Where is everyone? What the? Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Oh, that is outrageous. You haven't even got time for a shower.
Oh, I have to have a shower.
Oh, that's disgusting. It's actually bubbling around you, the mud. Get out immediately.
Oh, wow.
Still no sign of Michael. We're all in the kitchen just waiting for him. We're all pretty angry, and I think that the peacock is pretty angry too.
Watching by the window.
Yes, they're very cross peacock. Thinking, this is typical of Michael. It's weird how when she gets cross she sounds a bit like you, Mummy.
Does she?
Sitting on the top of the bell, we'll be sitting till the evening comes, watching the sheep running, and then watch 'em run away again. Oh, sitting on the top of the bell, watching the sheep run away. Sitting on the top of the bell, wasting time.